Know what else he said?
Radio check. Can anyone hear me? Over.
Hey, wait up! Wait up! Don't leave! Don't leave!
Stop right there!
Don't shoot! Don't
Who are
shoot!
you?
Don't shoot! I'm Cal Zapata. We sent out a beacon. Oh shit! Is he a cyborg? Are you guys with him? If he's human, could you put the gun down? Just please put.
Hey, put your gun down.
I mean, I told them that something like this could happen. They killed my grad students.
You're fine. Slow breath. Slow breath.
We need the Marines. We need the Army. We need all of